We're back! Hello!
Bonjour.
Kamusta po?
We're here again for another episode of
Unboxing!
And what do you think we gonna unbox? Do you have
My
any
Little
idea?
Pony, My Little Pony.
No, not My Little Pony is already not available in the Pop Mart, so
Skull Panda! Gone!
yeah, no, ano na,
Daddy, Skull
sold
Panda!
out. Yeah.
Oh. Skull Panda.
What series of Skull Panda? Ito.
Skull Panda,
You found me, ano pa ba? Little Pony, wala. Okay, para ano na, kasi si Mami naman ang bumili nun. Alam niyo naman, si Mami always. We need to get the box from Mommy.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, where's the box?
Yeah!
Maliit lang pala. It's a small thing.
This
Again!
is, I want to read. Skul.
Ano school?
This name is Skull Panda.
Skull Panda.
It's Skull Panda. And the name is Everyday Wonderland. Wonderland. No, Mystery Box.
This is our second unboxing of this series. This Skull Panda Everyday Wonderland.
Wonderland.
Okay, Pop Mart X Skull Panda.
First, ASMR.
So here it
Yes.
again. Go.
As we have this one. And now I want to have this, I think. This. In the
What?
mystery. This.
I mean, mystery, syempre.
And also the mystery. Me only.
your turn.
Okay, I want only the mystery.
By the way, guys, this is only a figurine type, but hindi siya plush, and it's not glass. It's like acrylic type.
Yeah, and if you see a bit the names, then comment what you like. Okay, now we're gonna open
So,
it.
are you ready, guys?
Yes! Yes,
Ito.
top 10.
Okay.
SpongeBob.
In 3, 2,
1.
1.
Hey, don't close your
Okay.
eyes. I'm just doing my force.
Up. Before that,
We need card. There's no plastic or something.
wala ba? Ay, automatic na to.
Yeah, I
Ito,
think.
I mean.
So we have to close your eyes.
Close your eyes na, guys. I will open. Ulit.
Are you closing your eyes or no?
No. I guess I'm closing.
I cannot see like this. I cannot.
Oh, may plastic naman pala eh.
I sure.
Ano ba yung hirap ng box na to?
I can open.
Yan. May plastic pa pala. There's
I thought there was no.
there's
Okay.
still a protection inside.
Wait, I want to
Abis
open.
na.
I want to open.
Ito. I will show the plastic. Yeah, it's a good plastic. Yeah, the quality is very good. Okay, Tire and Ate will get it. Okay.
I will get it.
Okay.
We'll get it. And it's
Close your
bought
eyes.
available.
Close your eyes.
15. I don't know why. It's heavy.
In 3, 2,
It looks like it's in the pillow.
Go! Sit.
It feels like in the pillow, so I know. Is this card? This is this beautiful card. Wow. And what's
this
even that? His name is. Let me read. Look at the beautiful card.
Letter G.
It's the
Ano?
letter.
Letter G.
Letter G. Letter G.
Ba't ganun? Ang liit naman.
And here, this is the accessories from the. Is this?
Accessories niyan. What is that? What do you think is that for?
I think it's like a jumping rope. I think perfume.
Ayun na, ito. Ayan.
This is how she look like if you put the accessories. Oops. It's supposed to be like a play. If you put like something here, it will stand.
Yeah, and her name is Letter G. Lethargic.
And
Like sluggish.
And she has 4 hands or 4
A
arms.
bit bitis.
And she's like a bug. Yeah. And she's sleeping. She's taking like a nap or something.
Yeah, but it's cute. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the accessory.
I'm gonna show you
It's
the
just-
thing what we had.
It looks like it's just like relaxing.
We're gonna show you a bit closer for you.
Lethargic. Okay, very cute.
Yeah.
Very cute design there. He looks like he's just relaxing.
Yeah.
So, thank you for watching, guys, and see you on our next video. For another
Episode
unboxing.
15.
Oh, this is
And comment what you want
Yeah,
for
yeah.
request.
yeah. You can comment what you want to unbox
But we're gonna pick
What
one by one.
one by one only.
Yeah, one by one.
So, see you guys and bye bye.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Yeah,
And like and subscribe.
Follow our Facebook.
And also TikTok, YouTube, and
All the same, Timang sa Paris. You can search.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
bye-bye.